Hey, welcome back, you guys. We have a special treat for you today. Sean and Alice, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and we are in Callaway today.
Yes, we are.
We got a new listing.
Yes.
You know, there's a shortage of waterfront properties, and especially ones that are this nice. Check out.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
Tell us about it, Alice.
So this is a 3 bathrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus an office. So if you need an office, facing the front of the house. But right now we're on the south of the house, right?
Yeah,
facing the water.
Let's check that out.
3,300 square feet on this home.
This screened-in porch is huge. We have 3 doors, one that comes from, what would you call that? Like
I call the foyer, and then straight ahead will be the front door. Then here we came out from the living room off the kitchen, and then the other door, it goes to the master bedroom.
All right.
All brick home.
So this water is deep too. So you could put a boat out here if you wanted to put a dock in. You want to see if that thing is child-proof?
It is right here on the bottom.
Really good size yard, huge lot.
You can put a pool if you want. Plenty of space for that.
So your neighbor's got a boat. Maybe make friends with them until you get your dock built.
Yeah, they just got it all leveled up with dirt. So you can grow your own new sod here. And look at all those little paws of wildlife going around.
Cute.
Watch the,
I mean, seriously, you guys, this is kind of off the beaten path, so you may not have seen this street before, but look at these expansive water views.
we are 5930 Highway 2297.
Yeah, I guess it would help if we said where we're at, huh?
Right? I missed that part. So this home has completely redone after the hurricane. You got absolutely everything is new. New roof, new kitchen.
You want to take us for a tour inside again?
Yes, let's
All
do
right,
that.
let's time warp inside. All right, back inside now.
So back to the kitchen. Look at those 2 islands with quartz countertops. And then you have all new appliances, your breakfast area over here.
Hey, we have company.
Time hop to the foyer and front door. We have a sitting room or foyer area right here, and the formal dining room will be here on your front. So if you come in from the front door and you turn right, you're gonna find your master suite.
Okay.
There's your office here to the right. We got a coat closet here on the front door, close by. Plenty of storage. Here's your enter to the master suite. You got your master bathroom to the right hand side. I love this
Folding area.
folding area and cabinetry space here.
I love it. Private water closet here.
We got a skylight up there so you can have plenty of light. This is beautiful. Look at all the details on the painting. His and hers closet on each side. And
Nice built-ins.
yeah. And here's your master bedroom with that beautiful view to the water.
Oh yeah, very nice.
Plenty of space. As you can see, this is a king size bed. Feels even small for the bedroom. I love all the light that you have in here.
And this is a split floor plan, so
Yes, it
we
is.
have some more bedrooms to see.
Let's go to the other side. Hopping to the other side of the house, the left-hand side, you will find the other 2 bedrooms. This one has been used as a storage, and it got 2 big closets in there. Here's your guest bathroom with double vanity, also skylight.
And a shower here is all tiled in. Look at how nice that is.
As you can see, this house is absolutely impeccable. They're so neat, clean, and organized. You have more storage over here. And then here's your other, it's actually a suite.
Nice. Oh, wow, we got a walk-in closet here too with more
Yes.
built-ins. Lots of storage space here in this home. Speaking of which, I remember the garage. We got to check that out before we go. Following you? Okay. Oh,
We have a security system in the house.
almost passed by the laundry and this extra storage area. We'll just peek at that real quick and then go to the garage. We'll cap the video off at the end by showing the front yard, but this is a pass-through. So we got a 3-car with a
Yeah.
pass-through. Nice.
I love that. So if you want to work inside a garage and make it a shop, you have a breeze going through. Plenty of storage. There's more storage up in the attic as well. Everything brand new here. Air conditioner, water heater.
Cool. Should we time jump again to the front
let's do
yard?
that.
All right.
Ta-da! Here you are to the front of the house. They have a semicircular driveway. Beautiful entrance. Like I said, is a all brick home.
And it is a little bit windy out here. But check out the size of your front yard here. If you guys want to see more videos of this property, check the cards area up above, as we do have other videos of this area and of this home. If you guys like what you see and you want to see more videos like this on your YouTube home screen, click the thumbs up button. If you like how we market our properties and you want to sell a property with us, what do they do, Alice?
Give us a call.
We'll go ahead and leave contact information below. And if you want to buy this house,
Give us a call.
you guys have a lot of reasons to call us.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
This
So
is beautiful.
we will catch you guys on the next one.
Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video.
See you next time.
Bye-bye for now.